Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Ju-87 Stuka airplane. So first of all, before we glue anything, let's separate all the parts so they can be all organized and stuff. And then cut all the sprues. All right. And there's that piece. And that piece. Little sprue cuts. Next, let's cut these rear wings. There we go. Snip, snip. There you go. Now, for this bomb, you cut like that. And there you go. This thing you can just throw out or have in your bits bin for some weird terrain piece or something. Alright, cleaning up this little sprue mark here. There's some smaller parts on this kit, but for the most part it's pretty simple. Just gluing two sides of things together and stuff. Alright, now start the process of clipping the sprues for this kit together. Alright, we clipped those things, but now let's clean up that stuff, and then let's clean up this right there. Same for this side now. Alright, that is done. Very good. The clipping away process is done. Now, let's do the most obvious things to do. Just gluing the two sides of the plane together. There you go. Let that dry, and let's glue the two sides of this plane together. This part of the plane. And then I'm gonna dab a bit of glue there, and then we can hold that together. The antenna, I believe. Okay, well, up next, let's go ahead and put the back of this plane on here. Put in some glue there. Very good. So this plane is definitely coming together. Now let's glue these parts together. The wheels. So all you have to do is put a little glue there. Let's do this other one. Awesome. Next, while we're waiting for different parts to dry and stuff, let's go ahead and put a little glue there, there, and there. And then there, there, and there. Then we're gonna put this piece there. There's pieces that it matches up with. Just like that. Now let's do the other side. Oops. Very good. So that's done. The next thing we can do underneath this plane is put some glue there and some glue there. Then let's put these wheels on the plane. Pretty good, I'd say. Well, while we're at it, let's put some glue for the front propeller. Alright, so for the final things to do on this plane, there's this thing that holds the bomb. A flinger or something like that. Alright, so that's how that bomb situation should look. And here's the back. So I'm going to put a little glue here. And a little glue there. And same for the other side. And here we go. So let's try to put on this piece here. Well, the back wing is falling off again, so now we can, I guess, work with the back wing more closely. Let's try to get the back wing glued on again. If you have some quick setting glue, that back wing would be good to use that quick setting glue there. Alright, so the bomb is in place there. The whole plane is assembled. There's just one thing left to do. Put a little glue there and put this little piece there. Now, this one's optional. You could put it there or not for realistic purposes. But I feel like it would break off, but there you have it. There it is. If this back wing could just stay on, you could use some quick setting glue or just let it dry. But I'm just trying to show you. There it is, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.